Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable install unknown apps on Android. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your phone. On the settings, click on search and then search for install unknown. So you need to search for install unknown. Then you should see under security and privacy, you should see install unknown apps. Click on it. Once you click on that, now scroll down, locate and click on install unknown apps. Now you have access to all the application. You can enable the install unknown app from here. Like for instance, if you click on any of the application, you'll be able to turn it on or toggle it off. So like here I have Chrome. Once I turn on Chrome for this option, I will be able to install unknown app from it. And if you click on deny all, this is going to disable all the features. At the same time, if you toggle on one, you'll be able to toggle on multiple applications where you can easily install unknown apps. And that's it. So that's exactly how to enable install unknown apps on Android. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.